Here we have the Rust-Eze Racing Tower. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna check it out. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks and works. Let's go. Before I get started with assembly, I did want to show you guys how everything looks disassembled. And this is the whole kit, everything that is included. We do have stickers and then the instructions are on that back side right there. I did want to show you guys McQueen because he looks so nice. I like that the shiny shimmery gold right there with the red. Looks beautiful. Let's put it together. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick little walkthrough before we actually go through it. But what you do is you take your cars, you put one on this side, you come up the ramp on this side, and then we're gonna take the elevator all the way up. Elevator gets stuck right there. Your cars are gonna go on here on both of these once you go ahead and set them. And how to set them is you just go push it all the way in. Same thing with the other side. All the way in. So now they're nice and set and they're flat, right? So your car's gonna go here, and then they're kind of like revving their engines, and you could kind of go left, go right, left, right. But when you're ready to rock and roll, you actually hit this red button down. Just like that, it opens up, the cars go all the way through. Let me turn it around. Okay, so both cars do the loop-de-loop, they come around, and the cool thing is this is like a little lever. So whichever car wins, like let's say this car wins and it comes through this way, then the flag goes on this side. That means this car is the winner. So let's go ahead, test it out, and see who wins. All right, today's race is going to be between Lightning McQueen and Tow Mater right here, you guys. So remember, it only comes with one Lightning McQueen, but of course we have more cars, so that's going to be easy for us to race. So we're going to put Lightning McQueen right there on top like so, and then we're going to grab Mater and do the same thing. Put them on here, and then the elevator is going to go all the way up, follow it up just like that. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get them ready for their race. Got the one, we got the two, just like that. We're going to put good old Lightning McQueen there. We're going to put Mater right there, and they are almost ready to go. Let's go ahead and rev their engines up a little bit. Got this side, that side. Okay. On your marks, get set, go! And just like that, McQueen won the race, so that was pretty cool right there.